HNGE stock analysis and HNGE stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. As the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money, what is not. And even with Hinge Health, I know we don't have that much data, but we can definitely work with this. It's only today, you know, so even with the limited amount of data, I can quite definitely tell you that most of the times, at least price actions like this just deliver towards the lows. Now, I'm not going to say this is going to be forever. For right now, yeah, sure thing. But with this limited amount of data and candles that we have, that's exactly what I'm looking at. I don't have previous receipts with HNGE because it just got listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5, 10K per month with our indicators, then yeah, sure, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But other than that, man, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. So goodbye, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.